Will you ever become famous? Red carpet, camera flashes, interviews, dedicated fans. We constantly see fabulous celebrities living their lives in the public eye. But will you be among your idols one day? Let's find out. Before you grab a pen and a piece of paper, don't forget to hit subscribe and ring the notification bell to join us on the bright side of life. Okay, I have 10 easy questions for you. For each one of them, you'll get 3 options under the letters A, B, and C. Don't think too much, just choose the answer that speaks to you the most. For every option, you'll get a certain number of points. Add them up at the end to find out whether fame is your fate. So, are you ready? Then let's get started. Question number 1. What's the first thing you do in the morning? A. Press snooze and go back to sleep. B. Check out my social media and recent news to know what's going on. C. Kickstart my day with a cup of coffee and a little snack and practice my hobby. If you went for option A, write down 10 points. The answer under letter B gives you 20 points, and choosing C equals 30 points. Question number 2. What's your typical Friday night? A. Going out with my friends, meeting new people, and having fun. B. A good meal and a movie with loved ones. C. Dedicating time to my hobby and all the ideas I had during the week. If you chose A, give yourself 20 points. If B is more you, add 10 points to your score. For C, write down 30 points. Question number 3. Do you have any prominent talents? A. No, not really, but I'm working on it. B. I'm good at some things, but nothing exceptional. C. Yes, and I keep improving my skills. If option A speaks to you the most, add 10 points to your final score. B gives you 20 points, and C leaves you with 30 whole points. Question number 4. Are people drawn to you? A. I don't think so. I'm usually in my own bubble doing my own things, and I love it. B. Maybe? I'm not sure. C. Definitely. Somehow people always gather around me. A equals 10 points, B gives you 20 points, and C stands for 30 points. Question number 5. Which award would you like to win? A. A Grammy. B. An Oscar. C. A Nobel Prize. If a Grammy is your dream, write down 20 points. An Oscar brings you 30 points, and a highly prestigious Nobel Prize leaves you with 10 points. Question number 6. How do you feel about being the center of attention? A. I try to avoid it as much as possible. B. I don't mind it from time to time, actually. C. I absolutely love it. A is worth 10 points, B brings you 20 points, and C gives you 30 points. Question number 7. How would you describe yourself? A. I'm shy and reserved, and I can be kinda lazy sometimes. B. I'm ambitious, independent, and creative. C. I'm laid back, responsible, and easy to talk to. If option A describes you in a nutshell, write down 10 points. Ambitious guys and girls who chose B can give themselves 30 points. And laid back and fun C's should add 20 points to their score. Question number 8. Which superhero do you like the most? A. Wonder Woman. She's independent, strong, and charming. B. Iron Man. He's extremely smart and hilarious. The best combo you can have. C. Captain America. He's righteous, brave, and has a heart of gold. If Wonder Woman is your fave, write down 20 points. Iron Man brings you 30 points, and Captain America is worth 10 points. Question number 9. You and your friends decide to organize a fun little charity concert. How are you going to participate? A. I'm going to be in the crowd enjoying my friends' performances. B. I'll help decorate everything. C. Oh, I'd love to be the main singer or the host. A gets you 10 points, B is worth 20 points, choosing C provides you with 30 points. Question number 10. What's the worst thing about being famous? A. Having almost zero privacy. B. Everybody discussing and judging your every move. C. I don't see any disadvantages, to be honest. Option A gives you 20 points. If you chose B, write down 10 points. C brings you a solid 30 points. Okay, now that you've answered all the questions, it's time to add up your points. Are you ready to find out more about your future? The results are in. If you scored 100 to 170 points, it's unlikely that you'll become famous. But that's simply because you don't really care about fame and the limelight. You're all about doing the things you love and spending time with the people who matter most. This doesn't mean that you won't be successful, though. You have an incredible work ethic, which will certainly work wonders for you. And your charming and adorable personality will definitely attract even more amazing people your way. So, there's nothing to worry about. Your life will be colorful, impressive, and happy, famous or not. Just keep up all the hard work and enjoy the journey. If your final result is between 180 and 250 points, there's a good chance you'll be famous one day. You're naturally charismatic, fun, and easygoing, and these qualities help you attract people. The only thing that stands between you and fame is your occasional laziness. You're not a big fan of hard and repetitive work. You're way more into going on adventures and having fun. You're really talented and have many hobbies, but you don't take time to improve your skills. As a result, you're only alright at everything you do. So your task is to find a balance between fun times and self-improvement. Pick a hobby you want to turn into your future job and practice every day to become the best at it. Considering how fast you learn, it won't be long till you perfect it. Finally, if you got more than 260 points, congratulations! Someday everybody will know your name. And it's not like your family and friends will be surprised by this since you're magnetic, hardworking, and very dedicated to what you do. Your magical recipe is simple. You know what you want and you work on yourself every single day. You love being the center of attention and use your charisma wisely, trying to inspire others and help them find their niche in life too. The only thing that you should be careful with is not letting fame go to your head. Make sure you surround yourself with people who will keep you grounded and take care of you. And don't forget about your craft for the fame game. Remember what you're doing this for, keep going, and I guess I'll see you on the red carpet one day. So, which results did you get? Tell us in the comments section below. Don't forget to give this video a like, share it with your friends, and click subscribe. Stay on the bright side.